Tired of the default image as the login profile picture on your MacBook Neo? Let's see how to change it and use your own personal custom photo in there. Go to System Settings. From here, you can directly click on your profile picture at the top. Move your cursor over the picture and click on Edit. Alternatively, scroll down to Users and Groups and click on your profile picture there. Both ways will take you to the same editing section. Now you'll see multiple options to choose from. You can pick from preset Memojis, explore different emojis, or use a monogram with your initials. You can also use the camera to take a live photo right from your Mac. But if you want to use your own custom image, go to the Photos section. Browse your photo library and select the picture you want. Once selected, use the slider to zoom in or out and reposition the image the way you like. After that, click Save. To make sure it updates on the login screen, simply restart your MacBook Neo. And that's it. Your new profile picture will now show up when you log in. Thanks for your time.